right, so we are going to continue to see what happens with this squirrel and these chickens today. It says, "You are one delicate squirrel," Sugar remarked. Tail was awake, but his eyes were wide and his hair color was not good. "What would you call that particular shade of gray, Dirt?" asked Sugar. "We've got more important things to do here, Sugar," said Dirt. She studied the squirrel. "No, we don't," said Sugar. "You're probably right." Dirt didn't put her sketch pad down and took out her big box of crayons. "It's a cross between Timberwolf gray and Manatee gray. It's definitely not regular gray. More like I think I may pass out again gray." "Why don't we call it Scaredy Squirrel gray?" said Sugar. "I like it," said Dirt. "Perfect. Now, let's get back to business." "Is the dog gone?" asked Tail. His whole body twitched. "Is the dog gone? Is the dog gone? Listen, kid, JJ doesn't want to catch you. He's never going to catch you. If he wanted to catch you, he would have caught you already and tossed you over the fence like an old sock. He just chases you for fun." "I don't believe you," said Tail. "Suit yourself. No skin off my teeth if you spend the rest of your life looking over your shoulder." "Was the big and scary thing a rhombus?" asked Dirt. His sketch pad was in her hands again. "Tail here doesn't know a circle from a triangle, and you're going to start with a rhombus?" "Do you know what a rhombus is, Sugar?" "No, and I don't want to know." "A rhombus looks like this." Dirt drew a diamond on her sketch pad. "I'm a brave squirrel," Tail repeated. "Brave squirrels are not afraid of diamonds." "Okay," said Dirt. "How about a triangle?" She did a quick sketch and showed it to Tail. "Could be, maybe. I'm not sure." "Follow me, kid." "Hey, Sweetie, come on out here." Sweetie popped her head out of the shoe. She was eating a carrot. "Did the big and scary thing look like that?" asked Sugar. "Big and scary things are not shaped like carrots," said Tail. "Not the carrot, kid. Sweetie's got a weird triangle head. Did it look like that?" "No, definitely not." "This is going to take all day," said Sugar. "Maybe Tail here can go to squirrel kindergarten, learn some shapes, and then get back to us. Don't we have anything better to do?" "Not really. How about this? The squirrel tried to scream, but fainted before he got it out of his mouth." "Nice work, Dirt. So the big and scary thing in the yard is a circle." "Interesting. So Tail is either afraid of the bird bath or the blow-up pool." She looked down at her notes. "Nervous squirrel with good vocabulary and poor shape skills is terrified of something round in the yard." Also, Dirt discovers a new shade of gray. "Can we please do something about the dead squirrel in the living room?" asked Mush. She deposited a clean-smelling poopy just inside the chicken coop and then headed back out the door. "If it's still here when I get back from my gardening, I'm going to make a rug out of it." Chapter 5. "Listen, Tail," said Sugar. She was standing on the squirrel's neck. "My mom says if that you are still dead when she gets back, she's going to use you as a carpet. So if you want help, you need to face your fear of shapes like a big boy." "Oh, my head," said Tail. "Let me up. I'm a brave squirrel. No more fainting, I promise. I was just so big and scary," said Sugar. "We get it." "You did a great, Tail. Now, we know the big scary thing is in the shape of a circle." "Yes, a circle. A big circle," said Tail. "A really big shiny circle. It came out of nowhere and then stopped approximately 4 feet off the ground. It was a dark shade of green, not quite forest green, but close, possibly hunter green, and after a while it made a weird hissing and popping sound, and it interrupted the atmosphere." "That's quite an improvement over big and scary. You ought to bump your head more often, kid." "I don't think I like you," said Tail. "I'm okay with that." "What do you mean?" "The atmosphere." Sugar was paying close attention while she wrote in her pad. "Good question. Thank you. First, it lit up. Then I saw a giant door close. I ran away for a while, and when I came back, the air around it looked really weird." "Interesting," said Sugar, scribbling down some notes. Dirt was drawing as fast as she could. She put her crayons down and gasped. Sugar looked at the drawing and then looked at her own notes. "Round, shiny, atmospheric disturbance, aka weird air." "Gasp!" Gaff, said Sugar. Gaff, said Dirt. Sugar took a deep breath and then slowly exhaled. You've got a big problem, Tail. What is it? What is it? This is a huge problem. What? Kid, you have one enormous problem. What? You've got a UFO on your tail. An unidentified flying object. And I suspect it's not leaving until you get in it and fly away. The squirrel started to turn that weird shade of gray again. Don't do it, Tail. You hit the floor one more time and my mom's going to put you under the coffee table. A UFO? What would a UFO want with a squirrel? Maybe they want you for a pet. Squirrels make terrible pets, said Poppy. You took the words right out of my mouth, said Sugar. And we're going to stop there and you're going to find out what happens next.